Smart tutorials. Make a squirrel. Materials. Felt in 5 colors: brown, tan, yellow, red, and black. Also stuffing, needle and thread, straight pins, glue, and scissors. Step 1. Download the pattern at the link on this slide or in the description box below. Step 2. Cut out the pattern parts and attach them to the corresponding color felt sheets. You will be cutting around them. You can pin down the larger paper pieces, but the smaller ones you will need to hold in place to cut around. Step 3. Cut out all the pieces. Step 4. Glue or sew the yellow stripes to the tail pieces. Be sure the pieces are facing opposite directions. Then glue the 2 sides together back to back. Let it dry. Don't glue these tail ends together. Step 5. 1. Cut a slot on the back half of the squirrel body. 2. Slide the tail ends into the slot, like this pictured here. Attach the tail. 3. A. Tack on the tail to the body like shown in the picture. Then B. Sew the slot together over the tail ends. Now work on the front half. Step 6. Glue or sew on the eye and nose pieces to the squirrel's face. Then glue or sew on the chest and heart. Lastly, glue on the insides of the ears. Step 7. 1. Tuck the ears under the head and pin down as shown. Pin the arms to the body. 2. Layer the front and back body pieces and prepare to sew them together. The ears will be sewn down between the 2 body pieces. The arms will be sewn on top of the front piece in the position shown. You'll be attaching the shoulders and letting the forearms hang loose. Step 8. Start sewing at the arrow and proceed around. As you sew, you can also add stuffing as sections become enclosed. Use a pencil to poke the stuffing into the extremities. Finish sewing the edge. And you've made a squirrel!